Hello there, and welcome to a quick tutorial. Uh, I'm going to make a bass sound that I kind of became obsessed with years ago, about 5 years ago, and I tried and tried and tried and tried to figure out how to make this bass sound. And it's the bass sound that's on that track by Dada Life, uh, White Noise, Red Meat, that really gritty bass line that's just all encompassing. Well, go listen to the track Dada Life, White Noise, Red Meat. And this is kind of my best effort at trying to duplicate that sound. I don't know their 100% of their secrets, but this is pretty close. There is one secret, though, that makes the sound what it is. So basically, I've got a bass line. This is the bass line that's off of my track Goodbye. You can see it on my I've got a YouTube video posted. It's Goodbye playthrough or walkthrough. Anyways, so here's the bass line. I'm going to go ahead and play that. Then I've got a just basically a silent patch. Oh, wait a second. This one here. That's the wrong silence. It's a big bass, number 84, on the number 1 bank of the factory presets. Big bass number 4, got it filtered all the way down. That's the off bass. That's what I used in Goodbye. And so the secret to making the big, gritty, wide sound is to, let's go up here to Serum. And all this is the initial preset. When you open Serum, you get a saw. And I made it 4 voices, not very much detune. I mean, that's probably more than enough. And then the next step I used on this was Dada Life sausage fattener. Give it a little bit of grit, a little bit of distortion. And then now for the big reveal of the secret. It's done with reverb. Valhalla Room. And I saved the preset, the exact preset that I used on Valhalla Room as a user preset here. Dada bass, and check it out. Mix is turned all the way up. We've got large chamber. Let's see. This is default. And 10 seconds, or no, 10 milliseconds of decay. Mix all the way up. High cut all the way open. Depth all the way up. And then you end up with something like this. It changes it. It's what gives it the sound. And then I went in with a imaging directional mixer, and I took it down to 75%. So it's not all the way, spread out. I think I need to go back into the MIDI on this one. Something got changed when I exported it. It's a couple staccato right here. Those are too short. But so anyways, you can do it with Serum. Okay, and you can also do it with Silent. It doesn't really matter what synth you use. So let's go to Silent. Let's go to preset clear. And what I did with this is I turned the retrig off, saw voice. I went triangle, I think, on this one here. 4 triangle voices. Over here I went to saw 5. And then I don't even think I used any detune. Let's see how this goes. Okay, let's go with the Dada Life sausage fattener. Give it just a taste of that. Then I went to distortion, and I went to bit crush. And I just left it the way it was. Then let's go to the Valhalla Room. Valhalla Room stereo. Come on. Go to this preset Dada bass. But you can actually just do it. Okay, let's go to large chamber, default, mix all the way up, pre-delay all the way down. Take this down to, what was it, 20 milliseconds or 10 milliseconds? Let's see here. Valhalla Room. 10 milliseconds. 10 milliseconds. High cut all the way open. Depth all the way up. Okay, so I'm not getting and combined. Let's send these out to a bus. Let's send all of these out to a bus channel. Tired. Work today. Send these all out to bus 1. Let's get a Nicky Romero kickstart. Take it to somewhere around there. And so let's add a audio file, create. Let's import, just for the heck of it, let's import a drum loop 128. Let's pick one here. Okay, that one seems to be in tune to the track. Anyways, the MIDI got kind of screwed up. There's a couple notes that are too short in here. Those notes right there. I don't know what happened. I don't know why they got short, but when I exported it. But anyways, that's the that's how you do it. You know, and then you can get in there with, you know, Saturn, you know, other distortions, kind of shape it up on this bus here and, you know, make it to your liking. But that's the basics. That's how you get that. That's how you get the sound. And hope that answers questions for those of you obsessed with that bass, that Dada Life bass. So thanks for watching.